The first bird is specifically mentioned in the Bible is the raven. While most people remember that Noah sent out a dove from the ark, find out if dry land was available for the rescue human and animals after the flood. Fiber recalled that he first sent out a raven, Genesis 8, chapter 6, chapter 7. The fact that the raven didn't return provide Noah with only part of the answer. He was seeking the bird has found some food to scavenge, but Noah still had no way to tell how much land was visible. The dove thoughtful return with a branch gave the original ship captain confidence that the earth was returning to normal, but the dove had found enough vegetation to survive on, and so it returned. The raven distinct all black plumage lead to the bird being used in composition. The bride is Song of Solomon called her lovers here black as a raven, 5:11. And a wise man named Agur who contributed a chapter to the book of Proverbs in the Old Testament included this warning to children. The eye that makes fun of a father and hates to obey mother will be plucked out by raven in the valley and eaten by young vultures. Proverbs 30, chapter 17. This behavior was probably observed by Agur, as a raven have been known to pluck out the eyeball of their prey, sometimes even before it is dead. While raven was considered unclean bird, Lev 11:15, 14:14, they make an appearance in the Bible not only as example of God's provision, but also as a messengers with God's provision. God told Job that part of the evidence of God's care of His creation was that He filled the raven. Job 38:41, a dame that bought a palmist 1:7-9, and Jesus considered the crow. They don't plant or harvest. They don't even have a storeroom or a barn. Yet God feed them. You are worth much more than bird. Luke 12:24. Raven are a particularly good symbol of God's providential care because they engage in a behavior called catching. They ate some food right away, but some they save in a particular spot and come back for later, and they are smart enough to remember where their catches are, unlike some animal. When Elijah was a fugitive in the wilderness, God supplied his basic needs by sending raven with food. King 17:4-6. Here the raven that symbolized God our care for the animals world was the tool God used to care for Elijah in his hour of need. It is similar to the way God cares of us and then expects us to pass the comfort along the other. 2 Corinthians 1:3-6. Mga kapatid, kung mayroon po kayong karanasan tungkol sa pag-aalaga ng mga ibon or ang uwak, please pakishare or comment below at ating ibahagi. Ayon po sa iba, sinasabi nila na ang uwak na alagahin daw ay malas. Ayon din po sa iba, sinasabi na di po totoo or depende. Aking ibahagi ang kunting istorya tungkol sa pinsan ko na nag-alaga. Mula maliit po itong uwak, inalagahan ng pinsan ko at pinalaki within 2 years. Within 2 years na inalagahan niya yung uwak, wala naman po kaming nakitang kaiiba or sinasabi nila bang malas or all is good. ang ibon ay naturuan. Pag lumipat sa malayo, bumabalik. Kapag may kailangan, yung nagugulo siya, gutom, nagugulo, ginugulo ka niya, or pinupuntahan ka niya. Pero bigla po siyang nawala at hindi na bumalik. Hinahanap ng pinsan ko kung saan po pumunta pero wala. Sa lagi niyang pinupunta sa garden pero wala talaga. Biglang nawala yung ibon o kaya sumamat na talaga sa kapamilya niyang ibon. At hindi na bumalik. Hindi na kaya sa dati na pabalik-balik kahit nasa malayo bumabalik. Pero hindi na talaga bumalik. Pero ito po ang pinakasad. Unang alagahan mo ang isang hayop tapos biglang aalis at hindi na babalik or kaya ay kinuha ng iba. Diba masakit yun? So sad. Pero masakit din, pinakamasakit din yung pagkatapos ang pinsan ko na nag-alaga sa ibon ay hindi nagtagal. May biglang accident na dumating na hindi inaasahan ay doon din